Hi everyone, I'm Sandeep and most welcome at this YouTube channel. I hope you are well and you are doing well. This video for to you if you want to make well and if you want to improve your communication skill and if you want to speak confidently without hesitation on the public place, anywhere place. If you want to think and you want to develop your communication, you must try to watch. I hope you can gain something new here. So I think that my dear friends, first of all you must try to understand and come sentences to make and sentences to add, how you can join many sentences and you can speak fluent in English. So first of all you have come, it is the most important part to you, and I think that you would do when you have no, when you have make of the sentences are come. So I think that you must try to watch, and this video help to a lot of us if you want to improve yourself. I think that when we do practice, when we do a lot of practice, our hesitation and who is fear inside to set, it is put out in my mind. I think that we must try to do lot of practice, and you have lot of resources to do practice. You can think in your mind, and I think that you have some friend as who know something new and who is doing some practice. If he know that, you must try to call him and you must try to say, I want to talk to you and my dear friends, would you do some help to me, can you do help me, so I want to talk to you. If you would say him, I think that he would try to talk to you. You must know that at this talk, and nowadays you would see many apps is providing to opportunity to improve your communication skill if you want to do practice. So I think that if you are think that you belong at place where there is no one known, where a lot of people are not getting speak English and they not try to do this work, so I think that you can do along at your home. Also you can watch here, also I belong a village and we are watching of people and we are learning. So you can watch many of people at the social media platform who they are providing to better opportunity to understand, who they are providing to better understanding to understand of your language. So I think that if you would see of people in your mind come thoughts, you must try, we must try to do, and you can do. So you would see many apps who is providing the opportunity to learn this language. As Cambly, it is as apps who is providing to video call on the social media, and you can provide, you can speak, you can see your thoughts without hesitation from the people. So I think that I am learning watching of people, and we think that how we can grow up myself, how we can make confident, how we can develop lot of us. So it is dependent yourself what you want to do, what you want to speak, and how you want to get practice lot of us, it is dependent yourself. So my different, first of all in my mind, when we are trying to speak the word, we not collect what we have to say, but when we are thinking in Hindi language, when we are thinking in Hindi language and we try to translate, I think that when we are watching of people, we feel lot of hesitation. I don't know that why it is being with me. When we are trying to speak, our voice is push something. I am not getting speak openly. I think that it is a weakness are making of myself. I think my dear friends, if you want to develop yourself, if you want to speak fluently, you must try to speak openly without hesitation anywhere place. If you are living with your friend, with your family, any one person, if you are living in crowd, so you must not hesitate what people would think about myself. So first of all in this video I would like to say, if you want to improve yourself, you must come know make of the sentences. If you would not know make of the sentences, I think that would never get to speak fluent in English. So my dear friends, also I belong to village and I know I am studying in Hindi medium school, college, and I am trying to improve of my communication skill. And we are thinking I will get to better response of myself. I think that when we watch of people, in my mind come, if he do as why we cannot do. So put up question in your mind and you must try to do practice something. So first of all, if you are doing speaking, if you are speaking mirror front of the mirror, I think that some hesitation would remove in your mind. So you must know that as you have phone and put up your phone and try to do speak and listen your voice again and again. If you will do as, I think that you can build up something new and you would get something new after few days. So I think that what I am doing, people would watching to me and we feel lot of hesitation. I am feeling nervousness when we watch of people. I think that person what would think about myself, but if we are doing, we would never to watch of them and we must try to ignore him if we are trying to do. So I think that we are working lot of days and we are trying to improving of myself. If you want to do make fluent in English, my dear friends, watch of people, watch yourself and do practice any one type. So I think that I if I would say to you, we are providing to you best opportunity, better opportunity to improve your communication skill and you can learn only 15 days. I think that we are saying a lie. You can never to understand. If you would never to understand this language, you would never to get speak. So you must come. If you want to develop your personality, if you want to develop yourself, if you want to make well, you must come and you must speak without hesitation. So I think that when we watch of myself who I have made already video, so I think that I have not well confident. I am speaking openly, but I am speaking only upper side. That word who I think I am getting speak, but that time that word are coming in my mind. But now I am thinking I'm not collecting word what I want to say. So it is a reason to weakness. It is a reason to which we are not making well, and it is our weakness. We have to make well confident if we want to improve. So I think that I am trying to speak any whole place we are going. We must be try to do well of myself, and we are trying to speak this language. So I think that if you are watching to me, you can learn a lot of us and you can watch to me.